Ever imagine yourself like crafting a sturdy travel bag? You know, the kind that like holds a lifetime of stories in its stitching.
Hmm.
Or maybe pitching a tent so expertly engineered it could withstand like a mountain squall.
Oh, yeah.
Today's deep dive might just inspire you to consider a career you never expected. Canvas goods assembler.
It's a field that often evokes images of like old world workshops, but the reality is technology is weaving its way into every seam and stitch.
Exactly. And that's where RoleCatcher comes in, giving us a glimpse into this fascinating blend of traditional craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech.
Yeah,
We've got their Canvas Goods Assembler career guide, plus a look at how their tools can help you land the job.
right.
But first, let's break down what these artisans actually do.
Okay, so at its core, it's about transforming raw materials like canvas and leather into durable functional items.
Okay.
Tents, bags, backpacks, things designed to withstand the elements and the test of time. But here's where it gets interesting. Their artistry extends beyond the practical.
You're telling me there's more to it than just sturdy backpacks. Do tell.
Think about artists' canvases,
Okay.
the very foundation for a masterpiece. Those are often crafted by canvas goods assemblers, demanding a meticulous level of precision and a deep understanding of how materials interact with paints and primers.
Wow, I never realized the connection. Suddenly, those high job satisfaction ratings in the guide make a lot more sense.
Yeah,
It's not just about assembling, it's about enabling creativity on like a fundamental level. But let's talk work environment. Where does all this magic happen?
that's the beauty of it.
Mm.
The settings are surprisingly diverse.
Yep.
You might find yourself in a small workshop surrounded by the tools of the trade, or in a bustling retail store, customizing goods on the spot.
Hold on, customizing on the spot. So like I could walk in needing a special pocket sewn onto my backpack and they could whip it up right there.
In some cases, absolutely.
Yeah.
It speaks to the versatility of the skills involved. And for those who value flexibility, RoleCatcher mentions that some canvas goods assemblers even work from home, setting their own hours and being their own boss.
Work from home crafting. That definitely appeals to the entrepreneur in me. But I imagine, and it's not all sunshine and perfectly aligned seams. What does the platform say about the challenges of the field?
They're refreshingly honest about the physical demands.
Okay.
Standing for long periods, repetitive motions, and potential exposure to chemicals depending on the materials used are all part of the job. It's not a desk job, that's for sure.
Right, real talk is important. But for someone drawn to working with their hands, creating tangible, lasting goods,
Hmm.
those challenges might be well worth it. Speaking of which, I'm curious about the career trajectory. Is it possible to move up in this field? The guide mentions something about limited growth opportunities as a potential downside.
That's where RoleCatcher's insights prove incredibly valuable. They dedicate a whole section to advancement paths, illustrating how this seemingly niche field can be a springboard to exciting opportunities.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me. What are we talking about here?
Well, as you gain experience and mastery, you can become a lead designer, conceptualizing new products and bringing your creative vision to life. Or, if management is your strength, there's always the supervisor route, overseeing production and mentoring junior assemblers.
From crafting durable goods to crafting a team? I like the sound of that.
Right.
Yeah.
And for the true trailblazers, the guide even highlights the possibility of starting your own canvas goods business, building a brand around your unique skills and designs.
Talk about a career path with real texture. But let's say someone wants to stand out from the beginning, set themselves apart in a sea of canvas and stitching. What advice does RoleCatcher offer for those just starting out?
They have a really insightful section on specialisms,
Yeah.
emphasizing how focusing on a specific niche within canvas goods can make you a highly sought-after expert. They list out various examples, but one that particularly caught my eye was the rise of bespoke handcrafted tents for high-end camping experiences.
You're kidding, like those stunning canvas tents you see nestled in the wilderness on Instagram?
Yeah.
The ones that look like they belong in a fairy tale. Tell me more.
Exactly. The platform explains that this niche goes beyond aesthetics.
Okay.
Specializing in these types of tents means mastering the art of waterproof and fire retardant treatments, understanding advanced ventilation techniques, and even incorporating unique design elements to create a truly luxurious outdoor experience.
So you're not just assembling a tent, you're crafting an immersive experience. That's fascinating. It's like the difference between a mass-produced jacket and a tailored suit. You're bringing a level of artistry and specialization that elevates the entire craft.
Mhm.
But Let's be real, even with specialized skills, the job market can be tough.
Right.
How does RoleCatcher help someone actually land a job in this field?
That's where their tech savviness really shines. Remember we mentioned those computerized tools being integrated into the field?
Yeah.
Well, the platform breaks down exactly which technologies are most prevalent, giving job seekers a leg up.
Okay, so we're not just talking faster sewing machines here. What kind of technology are we talking about?
Think CAD software for designing intricate patterns and visualizing the final product in 3D before a single piece of fabric is cut.
Wow.
Or automated cutting machines that ensure absolute precision, especially important when working with expensive, high-quality materials.
So that perfect seam on a high-end leather bag, it's not just years of practice, it's also technology lending a hand. That's incredible.
Precisely. And for someone entering the field, having a grasp of these technologies can be a game changer. The platform even links to resources where you can learn about these tools and gain those in-demand skills.
It's like RoleCatcher is handing you the blueprints to succeed in this evolving field.
Yeah.
I love that. But let's talk interview prep.
Okay.
Even with all the skills and tech knowledge, that face-to-face or screen-to-screen interaction can be nerve-wracking. How does the platform help with that often dreaded part of the job hunt?
They've got you covered. Remember that massive database of interview questions we mentioned earlier?
Yeah.
Well, it's not just the sheer quantity of questions, it's how they're categorized and tailored that's truly impressive.
So it's not just generic questions like, tell me about your strengths and weaknesses.
Not at all. The platform's AI analyzes job descriptions and identifies key skills and qualifications that employers are looking for. Then, it curates a set of questions specifically designed to assess your abilities in those areas.
So if I'm applying for a job specializing in those high-end tents we talked about, the questions would focus on my knowledge of specific fabrics, waterproofing techniques, even my understanding of luxury camping trends.
Exactly. It's like having a personalized study guide for your interview.
Okay.
And it gets even better. RoleCatcher also offers AI-powered feedback on your practice sessions.
What?
You can record yourself answering those tailored questions, and their AI analyzes your responses, providing insights on everything from content to delivery.
Wow. It's like having a personal interview coach in your pocket minus the awkward high fives.
Right.
That's seriously impressive. But let's say you ace the interview and land the job. What kind of career progression can someone expect in the field of canvas goods assembling?
RoleCatcher does a great job of mapping that out, providing a clear vision of what a career path in this field might look like. They have a section called Career Stages that outlines typical roles from entry-level to senior positions, giving concrete examples of the tasks and responsibilities at each level.
Okay, so walk me through this. What kind of work might a newbie, fresh out of training, be doing as an entry-level canvas goods assembler?
We'd likely start with tasks like cutting and shaping materials under close supervision, maybe assisting more experienced assemblers. Think of it as building that foundational precision and learning the ropes of the trade.
So paying your dues, perfecting those fundamental skills.
Right.
Got it. What comes next?
As you progress to a junior assembler role, the focus shifts to more independent work. You'll be operating sewing machines, maybe even tackling minor repairs. The emphasis is on meeting production targets while maintaining a high level of quality.
Okay, so more responsibility, higher stakes. What does the path look like once you've conquered the junior level? What's the pinnacle of a canvas goods assembler career?
That's where it gets really exciting. As a senior canvas goods assembler, you're not just assembling, you're leading. You might be mentoring junior assemblers, collaborating with designers on new product development, and ensuring that all those high standards are met.
From mastering the tools to managing a team, that's quite a journey. RoleCatcher really paints a vivid picture of the career trajectory. But let's be honest, even with a clear path laid out, the job market itself can feel like navigating a maze. How does RoleCatcher help job seekers cut through the clutter and find those diamond-in-the-rough opportunities? It feels like everyone's using those online job boards these days, but they can be so impersonal.
Yeah.
How does RoleCatcher help you stand out in a sea of digital resumes?
That's where their deep understanding of the job market really shines. Instead of just throwing your resume into the void, RoleCatcher acts like a strategic matchmaker.
Okay, matchmaker, how so? I'm intrigued.
Remember how we talked about the platform analyzing job descriptions to identify key skills?
Yeah.
Well, they do the same thing with your resume.
Okay.
By cross-referencing your experience with the specific needs of employers, RoleCatcher can connect you with companies actively searching for someone with your unique skill set.
So instead of hoping a hiring manager stumbles upon my resume amidst thousands of others, RoleCatcher plays Cupid shooting targeted arrows to connect me with the perfect opportunity.
That's brilliant.
Exactly. It streamlines the entire process, increasing your visibility and putting you directly on the radar of companies that align with your career goals.
Wow. It's like having a personal headhunter in your corner advocating for you and opening doors you might not have even known existed.
Right.
It really seems like RoleCatcher is revolutionizing not just how we learn about careers, but how we navigate the entire job search process.
Absolutely. It's a prime example of how technology can be harnessed to empower individuals, giving them the tools and knowledge they need to succeed in today's competitive job market. Well, there you have it. We started this deep dive thinking about tents and backpacks, but we've uncovered a world where artistry meets innovation, where traditional craftsmanship is enhanced by cutting-edge technology.
And what's so fascinating is how RoleCatcher bridges that gap,
Mhm.
providing a roadmap for anyone intrigued by the world of canvas goods, assembling from understanding the craft's rich history to navigating a future shaped by technology.
It's a powerful reminder that even in our increasingly digital world, there's a growing appreciation for handmade goods, for the artistry and skill that goes into crafting something truly unique and enduring. And for those who possess the passion and dedication, the field of canvas goods assembling offers a tangible, rewarding path, one where you can see the fruits of your labor come to life stitch by stitch, seam by seam. So if you've ever been drawn to the idea of working with your hands, of transforming raw materials into functional works of art, don't let the traditional image fool you. This is a field ripe with opportunity, and with tools like RoleCatcher at your fingertips, you can weave your own success story in the world of canvas and craft.